In front of me is Motorola Moto G60, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use keyboard clipboard. Begin by opening your keyboard and clicking on clipboard at the top of it. To activate it, use this switcher at the top right corner, and to go back to standard keyboard, this arrow at the top left one. Now to use clipboard, just copy or cut any text. To paste it, you can click on it right away at the top of your keyboard, or click on clipboard and click on it over here. To pin one of your sentences, use this pen at the top right corner. Click on the chosen one and tap on pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. To delete it, tap on the pen again, but this time after selecting a sentence or a word, click on pin icon next to the pin one. To disable clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!